Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the best deals that are going on at Walgreens this week. We have freebies, we have glitches, and we have moneymakers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, we're going to go over our store register reward deals, which means the first two deals that we're going to talk about, which is Colgate and Crest. They are included in the same deal. That means you do not want to do them in the same transaction because only one of those store register rewards will print off for you. You want to do these in two separate transactions. So first up, we have Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale this week for $2.99. So you want to pick up three. That's going to put you at $8.96. Use the 1-off-1 digital coupon plus the 3-off-2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4.97, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. You're going to get back a $5 store register reward, which is going to make your final price completely free. And we also have Crest and Oral-B dental care products. They're on sale this week for $4 each. So pick up three. That's going to put you at $12. Use the 5-off-3 digital coupon. You're going to pay $7, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. You're going to get back a $5 store register reward, which will make your final price $2 for three, making those just 66 cents each. Alright guys, so we do have a few household deals to go over for this week. So first up, we have Angelsoft and Quilted Northern Bath Tissue. They're on sale this week for $5.29, and we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.79. Now we also have the Angelsoft Bath Tissue 12 Family Rolls. They're priced at $5. You can use that 50-cent off one digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.50. Alright, next up, we have Arm & Hammer Laundry Care products. So we have the liquid laundry detergent, the pods, or the scent boosters. So they're on sale this week. Buy one, get two for free. So you're going to pick up three and pay $7.49, which will make those $2.49 each. And keep in mind, you can mix and match. Next up, we received a $1.50 off one digital coupon for the All or Snuggle products. So there's a lot that you can choose from. These are on sale this week for $3.99. Here I have listed the Snuggle products for you. So after you use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.49. And you can also use this $1.50 off one digital coupon on the All Liquid Laundry Detergent or the Almighty Packs. So again, those are on sale for $3.99. After the coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.49. Alright, next up we have Ajax dish soap. This is the 28 fluid ounce bottles. These are on sale for $1.99, and we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.49. And we also have the Palmolive dish soap, the 20 fluid ounce bottles. Those are on sale for $2.49 this week, and we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.99. And next up, we have a few glitches to go over. So we have the Aunt Jemima syrup, 8-ounce bottles. These are priced at just $1 each. So pick up two. We have this 1-off-2 Pearl Milling Company digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $1 for two, making those just 50 cents each. And this awesome glitch is back. So we have the Huggies wipes 56 count. These are on sale, two for $6. And we have this 3-off-2 digital coupon, which is glitching, making your final price $3 for two or $1.50 each. And we also have the 24 count Huggies wipes this week. Those are priced at just $1 each. So pick up two of those, use the 3-off-2 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Now, for all of my Dollar General couponers who are trying to learn Walgreens, Walgreens does not do overage, but that coupon will zero it out and make it free. Alright, next up, we have this awesome 3-off-1 IVC coupon for Walgreens Antiseptic products. So we have the Walgreens First Aid Antiseptic Spray. These are priced at $3.99. If you use that 3-off-1 IVC store coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 99 cents. Alright, next up, we did receive some high-value coupons for the Schick and Skintimate razor products. So if you want to pick up the Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Multi-Purpose Tool, these are priced at $5.99. Use the 4-off-1 Schick Women's or Skintimate digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.99. Now, we also received this 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Schick disposable razors. So you can pick up the men's or the women's. They're priced at $5.99. After you use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. And we also received a 4-off-1 for the Schick Hydro or Quattro men's razors. So if you want to pick up the Schick Hydro razors, they're priced at $8.99. Use that 4-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.99. And we also received this 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Bulldog razors or the refills. So if you want to pick up the razor or the 4-count refills, those are priced at $8.99. Use that 4 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.99. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Edge Skintimate Hydro or Extreme Shave Gels. So if you want to pick up the Edge or Skintimate Shave Gels, those are priced at $2.99. Use that 1 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.99. Or you can also use this 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Schick Shave Foam. Those are priced at $1.99. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just 99 cents. Now, we do have a promotion this week for the Schick and Skintimate products. It is spend $20 and get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So here's a little deal that I put together. You can pick up one of these Schick Hydro Tools for $5.99, one of the Schick disposable razors, men's or women's, for $5.99, one of these Schick Hydro razors, or the Bulldog razor or refills. You choose which one you want to pick up. Make sure that they're priced at $8.99. That's going to bring your subtotal to $20.97. You're going to use 3 of those 4 off 1 digital coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $8.97. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, which will make your final price $3.97 for all 3, making those $1.32 each. Now, if you want to pair this with a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster, that deal is going to be even better. So pick up all of the same items. Your subtotal is going to be the same. You're going to use the same exact coupons. You're going to pay $8.97 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens Cash, which will make your final price completely free, plus a $1.03 moneymaker. All right, next up, we also have an awesome deal on the Nivea Shave Foam this week. So these are priced at $2.69, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So pick up 2, that's going to put you at $5.38. You can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, which will make your final price 38 cents for 2, making those just 14 cents each. All right, next up, we have L'Oreal Paris L-Vive shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $3.99. So pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.98. Use the 4 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon and the 2 off 2 IVC coupon, and that is going to make your final price $1.98 for 2, making those just 99 cents each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Next up, we have the Garnier Fructis hair mask. These are priced at $4.49. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $8.98. We have this awesome high value 5 off 2 Garnier hair care digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.98 for 2, making those $1.99 each. All right, next up, we have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Glass Hair Water Rinse Out product. So this is priced at $8.99. We did receive a high value coupon of 4 off 1 manufacturer coupon for this product. Plus, we have a 1 off 1 IVC store coupon, which will stack with that manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.99, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Next up, we received $1.50 off 1 Palmer's product. So if you want to pick up the Palmer's shampoo, those are priced at $4.97. Use that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.47. And you can also use this digital coupon on the Palmer's Lotion 8.5 ounces. These are priced at $3.99. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.49. And this digital coupon is also working on the 2.1 ounce Palmer's lotions. Those are priced at $2.99. Use that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.49. Now, the Palmer's lotions are on sale right now. Buy 2 and get 1 for free. So you can pick up 3. That's going to put you at $5.98. Use the $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4.48 for all 3, making those $1.49 each. Next up, we did receive this awesome digital coupon for 2 off 1 for the Gold Bond products. So if you want to pick up the Gold Bond Healing Cream 5.5 ounces, those are priced at $4.49. Use that 2 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.49. Now, these are also on promotion for buy 2, get 1 for free. So you can pick up 3, and that's going to put you at $10.98. Use the 2 off 1 digital coupon plus the $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7.48 for all 3, making those $2.49 each. Now, the 2 off 1 Gold Bond digital coupon also works on the Gold Bond Diabetics Dry Skin Hand Cream 2.4 ounces. These are priced at $3.89. Use that 2 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.89. And we also have the Gold Bond Radiance Renewal Lotion 1.75 ounces. These are priced at $2.49. Use that 2 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 49 cents. And we also have that $150 off one digital coupon, so you can actually pick up 2 of the Gold Bond Radiance Renewal lotions at $4.98. Use the 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon and the $150 off 1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $1.48 for 2, making those 74 cents each. Alright guys, and here is our big deal of the week. I'm sure a lot of y'all have already heard about it already, but just in case you haven't, we have Axe and Dove bath care and personal care products. They are on promotion this week. Get a $5 in Walgreens cash rewards when you buy 3. And to make the deal even sweeter, the Dove products are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So included in this deal are the Dove hand soaps. These are priced at $3.99. So what you want to do is pick up 4 because you're getting 2 at full price and 2 half off. So pick up 4, that's going to put you at $11.96. You're going to use the 3 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $8.96, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay since this is a buy deal. But you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. But the deal gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 1,250 point bonus for the Dove hand wash. So the total amount that you're going to get back is $5, which is going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.06 moneymaker. Now, on my account, this does say it expires today, February the 22nd. So run out and do this deal while we still have these bonus points on Fetch Rewards. And here's another deal where y'all can mix and match some Dove products. So pick up 2 of the Dove Women's Body Wash. They're priced at $7.99. And 4 of the Dove Hand Soaps at $3.99. Keep in mind that 3 of those products will be half off. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $23.94. You want to use that 7 off 2 digital coupon that we received last week for the Dove Body Wash and the 3 off 3 digital coupon for the Dove products. That's going to leave you paying $13.94, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you're going to get back a total of $10 in Walgreens cash. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $5 back on the Dove hand soaps, which is going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.06 moneymaker. Now, if y'all want to pair this with a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster, everything is going to be exactly the same except, sorry for the typo here, but you will have to pay $13.94 out of pocket. You cannot use Walgreens Cash to pay, okay? Then you're going to get back $15 in Walgreens Cash, plus you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get that $5 back for the Dove hand soaps, which is going to make your final price completely free plus a $6.06 moneymaker. Now, I do want to say last week I posted a video later on in the week telling y'all about some really good clearance finds that I found at Walgreens. Plus, we had a glitch for the Dove body wash with the 7 off 2 digital coupon and the buy one get one free insert coupons. Now, I'm not quite sure how that's working out this week with these new Dove deals, but I am going to swing by Walgreens and try out a couple of deals. I still have one account with the 7 off 2 digital coupon, and I do have insert coupons left as well. So with that being said, if anybody has any information on the Dove glitch and how that's working out this week with these new deals, feel free to leave that info in the comment section down below. And if you have any deals or any little scenarios that you would want me to try out at the store with my insert coupons as well, just leave it in the comment section. I really appreciate it when y'all share deals, because the more that we share information, the more we can all save some money. Now, just in case y'all missed that video from last week, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, some of those deals are dead deals because those deals ended on Saturday. But there's still a lot of good information in that video on clearance items and things that you want to be on the lookout for. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your Walgreens shopping this week. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next one.